Why am I in the twat bedroom?
Hello, Felix. I want to play a game.
Oh great, it's Krusty.
What? No, I'm not Krusty the Clown.
Oh, I thought you were from The Simpsons.
And I'm not from The Simpsons. I'm from the Saw movies. I'm Jigsaw.
Who are you supposed to be then?
I just said my name. I'm Jigsaw from the Saw movies.
The Saw movies?
Yes, you're finally putting the puzzles together. Anyways, Felix, Quip.
Hey, it's not Clip, it's Slick.
Quip slick, bloody body ball, I don't care, they sound the same, trick or treat, smell my ass.
Halloween was months ago.
Yeah, and my tooth fairy left me for the mailman 9 years ago. Wow. Anyways, I want to play a game. There is a key hidden around the room, and you have to find it in under 10 minutes.
Hold on, have you been doing this to some of my friends back in season 1?
Yes.
Why didn't you return in season 2 and 3?
Because they're like you. They get on my nerves. You know what? I'm gonna go into Patrick's twin.
Patrick's twin?
Yep, that was my spleen.
Hello, superhero. I want to play a game with you.
Who are you?
What? Who am I? I'm Super Wox.
Super what?
No, I'm not Super What. I'm Super Wox.
Who has Wox as their name?
Hello. I exist. Don't you forget?
Shut up, Krusty.
Oh, I'm Saul.
And I'm not playing your game.
Fine, but this is why I left it for seasons 2 and 3. Because the assholes is like you. You know what? Yeah, you can go. They'll go over you, and I hope you all die.
Wow, that worked.
Wow, yeah, I am actually surprised that actually worked. I'm gonna go.
Still, who has Wox for a name?